Good morning, everybody. Things are a little different. Our new normal is a little different than we're used to. I hope I'm talking loud enough to hear through my mask. And by the way, my lipstick looked really nice this morning.
Mine
You
just
can't
did.
see it. But I'm Jerry. I'm with 104.7 The Bull and WBBZ Radio. And we started a thing was for the Golden Apple Award for a very special teacher each month. And so we are very blessed to be out here on this beautiful fall morning, and we have a teacher that we are going to honor today. With us, I have three sponsors. Our radio station could not do this without our sponsors. We have Stephanie Klinger with Klinger's Collision Center, Dr. Aaron Neal with Blackwell Dentistry, and we have Kathy James, with Kenny Wheeler Farmers Insurance. Kenny's traveling today, couldn't be here, so we're blessed to have Kathy with us today. But with this teacher, I want to talk about just a few words because these have to be nominations that come in from parents or family or anybody. A few words that were said about this teacher is amazing, creative, patient, we need to hang out more, goes above and beyond for her students, and fun. Just a few of the words that were said. So, Melisa Smith.
I'm so sappy they left that out.
Melisa Smith, we would like to honor you with the September Teacher of the Month.
Thank you.
And we have
Oh gosh.
we actually have the Golden Apple flag.
Look at that.
We not only do $200.
Wow.
$200 to spend for your classroom, your kids. The kids are going, whoop, party on!
Oh my gosh.
So we're very blessed to be able to give you this award today, and
I'm very blessed that my people think about me this way too. So thank you.
many people
Whoever-
love
We're
her.
very
Came
blessed
from,
to have her in our
so.
district. She's been with us for a long
Yes.
time, and she makes a difference in kids' lives.
Thank you.
We love
Thank
it.
you.
Congratulations.
I don't know if I can shake hands. So
Yes.
high five.
But